Ready? Yeah, I'm TJ, and I have on my right hand side
Isaac.
and
Ben.
yes, sir. We are at the Kidbrooke Park. I just want to do kind of a mini table tennis training. Are we ready for this one?
Yeah.
Let's do the forehand, about 10 bouncing forehand. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Backhand 10. Let's go 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 forehand, 2 backhand. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Go down. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Up. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2. To the right. 1, 2, 1, 2. To the left. Come on. 2, 1, 2. Back. 1, 2, 1. Forward. Let's go. Forward. Backward. Come on. Forward. Let's go. Backward. Let's go. 1, 2, 1. We are still doing 2 forehand, 2 backhand, okay? Let's go. Forward. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. To the right. Come on. 1, 2, 1, 2. To the left. 1, 2, 1, 2. Backward. 1, 2, 1, 2. Forward. Come on. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Turn around. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Aya, come on. And control. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Aya, let's go. And control. Let's go. 1, 2. Closer, guys. Closer, closer, closer. Come on.
You guys need to get closer
I
to
say
them.
closer. Come on, let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now we're gonna exchange balls now, okay? We're gonna exchange ball now. Ready for me? From this side, okay? Pass on to me. Come on. 1, 2, go. Oh man. Come on. Come on, let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. Good, nice. And I turn around. Let's 1, 2, go. Go. Control. Control, control, control. Come on. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, go. Control. Hold on. No. Look at what he's doing. 1, 2, 3, go. Ready? Go. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go. Come on, let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh no. 1, 2, 3, go. Listen now. 1, 2, 3. I pass on to you. You pass on to me. Okay? You pass on to me. I pass on to you. So, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2. Who is missing now? So after you get the ball, control the ball. At least bounce about 3 or 5. Then we call it. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. Good. Well done. Let's go again. 1, 2, 3, go. Good. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Now we keep moving like a circle now. Walk around.
Zach.
1 forehand, 1 backhand.
Zach.
1 forehand.
Zach, do you want to do it?
1 forehand, 1 backhand. 1 forehand, 1 backhand. You going now? Oh no. We're just not really. Okay guys, I'll see you some other time. Thank you, and nice to see you. Thank you.
See,
You can watch it maybe tomorrow or tonight.
don't leave me.
Thank you. Bye. Thank you.